I broke my hand, at least I think I broke it, and I think I'm gonna have to go and get it looked at. It's starting to really swell up. Unboxing on my birthday. My birthday. meMiner here. I looked in the mirror this morning. I didn't recognize the gray-haired man looking back. We got a package in the mail. Feels like it's got rocks in there. Let's look at it together. Oh, I know what that is. That's ocean picture stone. Big of it. Just another rock here. Isn't that pretty? He's already cut it. This order was paid for by Symon. Symon in the UK. Oh, thanks a lot, buddy. Made my day. I added a little bit extra. Yeah. Thank you, Dan. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. See Dan on YouTube. Nice blue color. Problem with rocks like this is to slice them. I'm gonna have to go this way. They won't be very big. Would have been nice, but I'll go that way. Let's see what we can get out of them. This picture stone is a form of jasper. These are the nicer pieces. The idea being the blue is ocean, the brown is sand, and you try to get the contrast. That might be nice to slice. Maybe put in a flat lap. That's kind of neat. The sand, the ocean, and the sky. Cool. Well, Symon, you outdid yourself, man. What a great present. Okay, I'll show you the rocks cut. These are the pieces from the bag. And they might look nice polished up, but I don't think I got anything worth cabbing except maybe this one. So I'll stick that with these others. That's kind of pretty. I cut them 1/4 inch thick. And the end pieces. Stick over here. It's a pretty blue. It's got fractures in it. This one was actually gray inside. A bit unusual. That might be nice for a cap. Same with that. Starting to tend to blue now. Pretty piece. The second largest one. It's almost solid. What I'm going to do is hold this to one side for processing with my trim saw and my flat lap, and then this one, which is the best piece of the bunch. It has quite the variation. So what I've learned is if you're considering buying this rock, is get one that's already been cut, pay extra, probably for that privilege, but then you know what you're getting, and you can get the variation. If it comes in a grab bag, I think what you're getting is mostly, unless you're lucky, something that can be tumbled. And I just happen to have an empty tumbler barrel. So we'll load it up. Because I don't have enough rock to fill my barrel, I'll also add some agate that I had cut prior. This agate was, I think, $8 a pound. It might be pretty sweet too. So I'll put that in the barrel. And get it rocking and a-rolling. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this interesting, and we'll see you in 4 to 6 weeks with the results of this tumble. We're good to go.